Welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. Today we're going to be looking at bullet points and numbers. We're going to be looking at how to set them up, how to quickly set them, how to set custom styled ones, everything that you need to know about bullet points and numbers. So let's get started with bullet points. Okay, so you can see I've got a list here with bullet points already set, and they are the square type bullet points. Now let's say I wanted to quickly change them. All I would need to do is go, make sure I was on the Home tab, and then go to the paragraph section with the box selected, and then hit the bullet point drop down menu. I will then get a set section of bullets to choose from. So again, I can choose any one of them and they will change. Now, welcome back to PowerPoint Training Online. Today we're going to be looking at working with bullet points and numbers button, and then press on bullets and numbering. It will bring up a new pop-up box labeled bullets and numbering, and make sure the bulleted tab is selected. From here you can see again it's got the ones that were already in the predefined list, but let's say I wanted to get my own ones in there. So let's say I wanted to look for another bullet point, another style. So if I press customize, I can then use any icon that you've got installed on the computer under the text code. So again, it would just be a case of selecting the most relevant one for you, whichever one you decide to go with. So let's say I choose this arrow here, press OK, OK again, and now they've all changed. All the bullet points have changed to what I selected. So now you can see the color for this team template is a reddy orange, and the black looks okay as a bullet point, but let's say I want to go with a different color. Again, make sure that the text box is selected, press the drop down button, press bullets numbering for the pop-up, and this time we're going to select color down the bottom left hand corner, and we can now choose any one of these colors, or we can set our own custom color. So let's go green for now, press OK. OK, and you'll now see the bullets have changed. This makes them stand out a little bit more, and it means you don't have to go along with what's already set in the theme or the template that you're using. Now the other thing as well I want to show you while we're here is the size of the bullet point. So again, select the box that you want to edit on, press the drop down, and then click on bullets and numbering again. This time around we're going to look down the bottom left, but you're also going to see size. So you can see this is 80%, and that's the percentage size of against the text. So this is currently at 80. So if I change that to 120, press OK, you'll see the bullets have now increased in size. Okay, so there's one more thing I want to show you guys when it comes to working with bullet points, and this is if you got your own custom shape or your own custom design font or icon that you want to insert to become the bullet. Again, select the text box, press the drop down button, press bullets and numbering, and this time you want to choose picture. Now you can choose a picture from a file, which is what we're going to do in a moment. You can browse online pictures, or you can search the icon collection. If I press from a file, and then I want to look for an image, so I just go click on images, and let's choose this Twitter icon here. Press insert. Now all the bullet points have changed to the little Twitter logo. Whether you're the one who creates the icons or whether you pay a designer to do it, it doesn't really make a difference as long as you've got that image there, and it works with most file formats, JPEG, PNGs. You can then add custom bullet points. Now the next thing we want to look at is numbers. So again, very similar to bullet points, you can use them to organize a list, you can use them to order items, etc. And we're going to show you today how to change the size, change the color, and do some other simple edits as well. So if I've got my list here, and the text box is highlighted, and if I want to quickly set a number, I go up here on the home, on the ribbon under home, in the paragraph tab, I click on the number button. That will quickly set the number for me. Now let's say I want to change the style of the number. I can say a 1 with a dot, a 1 with a bracket, and I change the A, I, Roman numerals, whatever it is that suits you. Okay, so if I choose that for there, and now let's say I wanted to tab that to have an inside list as well, and that says 1 1. I don't like the look of that, so what I could do is just highlight that, go back to the numbers, and then select A. So again, now it's showing me a different style, so I can now you can see clearly that it's 1A, B, C, D, etc. Now changing the color and the size is very similar to how we did it on the bullet points as well. So if you go to the number drop down and then choose bullets and numbering, we'll get the same pop-up, but this time you'll notice that the number tab is highlighted. So to change the size of the text, you increase it in this box down here. So if I go to 120 and then I want to change the color to black, press OK, and that one has now highlighted. Now you'll notice that it never changed all of them. That was because I was on the second line. If I want to change all of them, I need to select the whole box or select them like that. Okay. Now there's one more thing I want to show you, and that is starting a bullet from a certain number. So I've got two lists here, and you can both start at number 1. So let's say I wanted to have this box over here and an image up here, and then this box here with an image beside that. That way then I can have two pictures, make it look all nice and fancy. So it's still only showing me 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3. I wanted to see all of it. I wanted to run in a flow. I don't want it to start at 1 2 3 and then 1 2 3 again. So if I highlight the second box, go back up to the bullet, the numbers tab, press the bullets and numbering, and this time on the bottom right hand corner you'll see the option for start at, and you can see set to start at 1. So if I increase that to 4, which is the end of the list we previously finished at, and press OK, you'll now see that the bullets start at 4 5 6. Okay, so no matter how many lists you have on a page, you can set the numbers to start at whatever one you want. It makes life a little bit easier, and it allows for you to put your lists and break your lists so they're not all big lumps of clumpy text on the screen. So that is it for today, guys. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them down below in the comments. Don't be afraid to reach out to us. We will always try to reply to you. If you like what you've seen today, please share it. Also, subscribe, hit that notification button, and you will know when we upload our videos every week. Goodbye. Thank you for watching our latest video on PowerPoint Training Online. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and also subscribe for all the latest updates from PowerPoint Training Online.